Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome back with second summer task of grade 6. I am your computer teacher. I hope you will all are fine. Now take out your summer vacation task, Chunk 3, week 2. Today we will do day first and day second task according to your teaching strategy. Dear students, your computer textbook is changed, so according to this new version of textbook, open page number first with chapter name MS Word 2013. Microsoft Office 2013 is a version of Microsoft Office, a productivity suite for Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Word offers effective features like inserting a header footer and creating tables. It also provides the mail merge features that let us create multiple copies of letters with more or less similar text. Now the first topic is how to add a header and footer. What is header and what is footer? Header is a block of text or graphics placed at the top of every page in a document. And a footer is a block of text or graphic placed at the bottom of every page in a document. Now come to the steps that how to insert a predefined header or footer. Look at the picture. First click on the insert tab, and the second step, click on the header or footer option in the header or footer group. A gallery of header or footer design appear. In the third step, select the header or footer design you want. The outline of the header or footer entry box appear at the top or bottom of the page. When you click on this, the design tab also appear on the ribbon. In the fourth step, click on the placeholders or content controls and type the desired information to be inserted as the header or footer. Placeholder mean the label for possible content in a text box. The content controls are enclosed in square brackets. In step 5, after adding the header or footer, click the Close Header and Footer option on the Design tab or press the Escape key. If you want to add your own header or footer, then follow the steps of inserting a custom header or footer. In the first step, click on the Insert tab. Then in the second step, click on the header or footer option in the header and footer group. A list of options is displayed. Now in the third step, click on the Edit Header or Edit Footer option. The outline of the header or footer entry box appear at the top and or bottom of the page. The Design tab also appear on the ribbon. In step 4, look at the picture. Place the insertion point at the desired position and type the information. You may also insert the graphic and other content that you want in the header by using the option on the Design tab. In figure 1.5, show inserting a picture in the custom header and footer. And in figure 1.6, show a footer with the date, page number and picture. In step 5, after adding the header or footer, click the Close Header or Footer option on the Design tab or press the Escape key. When you understand the lecture properly, then come to the practice zone. Now here the question is, fill in the blanks with the correct option from the table. See this option in the table carefully and write in each blank. After that, do the activity. You can insert header and footer like this. Placeholder or look like this. Related to this lecture, I shared the video which are helpful for your understanding. Thank you.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.
Headers and footers can be used to display information in the top and bottom margins of your document. They can include details like the author's name, page numbers, the date, and more. To create your own header or footer from scratch, double-click the margin at the top or bottom of your document. This will unlock the header or footer area so you can add whatever information you want. You can also use the tools on the Design tab, which will appear on the right side of the ribbon. When you're done, you can close the header or footer using the button here, or by pressing Escape on your keyboard. If you don't have a lot of experience with headers and footers, you might want to start with a preset instead. Preset headers and footers give you several different designs to choose from, so they're a great choice for any document. To add a preset header or footer, go to the Insert tab, then click the command that you want. In this example, I'm going to add a header. You can choose one of the simple options at the top or scroll down for something more unique. Notice how we have access to the Design tab again. For now, I'm just going to enter my information into the box here, which is known as a Content Control field. If we close the header, we can see what it looks like compared to the rest of the document. To edit it again, you'll need to unlock it by double-clicking the margin. I forgot that I wanted to include the date, maybe right here below the document title. To add this to your document, just click Date and Time on the Design tab, then choose how you want the date to appear. If you want the date to be updated every time you open the document, check the box next to Update Automatically. This is good if you want to show the date the document was printed instead of the date it was created. Otherwise, leave the box unchecked, and it will remain at today's date. Let's take a look at page numbers next. The header I chose doesn't have them, but they're really easy to add. Just place your cursor where you want the page numbering to go. In this example, I'm going to press the Tab key until I reach the tab stop on the right. Next, click the Page Number command, and make your selection from the menu. Top of page and bottom of page will replace your current header or footer with whatever option you choose. Sometimes that's what you want, but in this case I'm trying to add page numbers to the header I already have. For that, we can choose Page Margins or Current Position. And now we have page numbers on each page of the document. If you need to restart your numbering partway through your document, there is a way to do this. You can even apply a different numbering style. You just have to insert a section break first. In this example, I want to restart the numbering at page 1 for the Works Cited section. So I'm going to place my cursor at the beginning of the section, then go to the Page Layout tab. From here, click the Breaks command, then choose Next Page from the menu. Now we can adjust our page numbering by following these steps. First, double-click the header or footer, which should take you back to the Design tab. Then click the Page Number command and choose Format Page Numbers from the menu. A dialog box will appear where you can change the number format, add chapters to your page numbering, and more. But to restart your numbering, all you have to do is select the field that says Start At. By default, it will restart at 1. However, you can enter any number depending on what you need. When you're done, click OK, and you'll see the change immediately. There are still lots of other things that you can do on the Design tab. For example, if you want to hide the header or footer on the first page of your document, then start back up on page 2, you can select Different First Page. If you want to remove the header or footer altogether, just click the command that you want, then click Remove at the very bottom of the menu. Headers and footers can be used in many different ways, whether you're working on a casual document or an academic paper. They can make your information easier to reference and also add a nice professional touch.